Hi, today I'll show you how to use the Minecraft recipe widget from Keyboard Extension. You can switch between game versions. In my case, this is the latest release. Below, you can filter recipes by type. You can search for the recipe you need manually, or use the search bar. Let's find the recipe for a spyglass. After selecting it, the recipe itself will appear at the top in its usual form. I have everything I need, so let's craft it at the workbench. Thanks to this widget, you can quickly search for and craft the items you need, using your smartphone or tablet as a supplementary gadget for the game. Please suggest in the comments what else we could add to our widget to make it even more useful. Check out my other tutorials as well. In them, I cover the rest of the useful features of Keyboard Extension.